Imagine cutting your electricity bill by 30 to 40% just by plugging in a small device. That's exactly what Power Plug Pro promises, but does it actually reduce your power bill or is it just another viral gadget scam? So Power Plug Pro is marketed as an electricity saving plug that supposedly stabilizes voltage, reduces wasted energy, and optimizes your home's electrical system. The ad claims you can simply plug it into an outlet and watch your electricity bill drop. There are a few reasons the devices look convincing. The product uses technical terms like voltage stabilization and power optimization to sound advanced. Ads often show before and after electricity bills, suggesting huge savings. But the problem is, those claims don't hold up scientifically. Experts say many small plug-in devices cannot control or reduce the electricity usage of your entire home. Many versions of these gadgets are generic boxes with cheap components sold under different names. Investigations have also found some energy-saving plugs don't work at all and may even fail basic safety tests. So does the Power Plug Pro actually save electricity? Most evidence suggests no. The devices usually don't reduce your power consumption or electricity bills. The bottom line, Power Plug Pro is likely just another rebranded energy saver plug gimmick. If you want real savings, focus on energy efficient appliances, LED lighting, and reducing power usage instead of relying on plug-in miracle gadgets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.